I'm Jeff Matsushita. I'm executive producer on Kinect Rush. We're here at the Spring Showcase for Xbox 360. This is Kinect Rush. It's a new game that we've developed with at Microsoft with Asobo Studios and Pixar's help. It's a really exciting new game for the family. We are really excited about the new innovations that we got on this title. Really, the point of this game is to really make you a part of the Pixar worlds. And what we're going to do by doing that is by scanning you, and then you can have a Pixar version of yourself that appears in each one of the worlds. And then what you'll do is you'll move around what we call our imaginary Pixar park, where you'll meet other characters on the playground, and you sort of enter their imaginations, and then you become a Pixar character in each one of their worlds. And it's really, really cool. What we're really excited about in terms of the innovations we have around this is we spent a lot of time making this a game that works for everybody in the family. I mean, like driving, you can see driving here. We've tuned it so that it works great for kids, it works great for adults, it works for all sorts of people that have a lot of fun with it, but it still is very true to a driving experience. It's got some real physics in it. The guys at Asobo in France, really experienced developers with cars. They love this stuff, and they've just been really, really passionate about working with Pixar. We worked with Pixar to develop some real original storylines. So each individual movie, one of 5 different movies. We have Up, we have Cars, we have The Incredibles, we have Toy Story, we have Ratatouille. Each has its own little storyline, divided into 3 episodes that you can continue to play over and over again, unlock new stuff, eventually unlock the ability to play as one of the great characters in the game. So once you're in the game, what you have the opportunity to do is you can go ahead and scan yourself, create yourself. Clayton Kozlarek, who is the senior design director, he is going through the process here. He is scanning himself in. It actually takes a look at it keys off your facial features, your color of your hair, your clothes, and the idea is that what it will do is match this up and make a sort of an idealized Pixar version of yourself. Once you have this idealized Pixar version of yourself, it'll go ahead and finish choosing what eye color you like, your glasses. And as it generates all these different pieces,
I'm going to be very pink.
Yeah, everybody's sort of a little bit purple. But go ahead and once you create this character, this version of yourself, you have a chance to go back into the game. And your Pixar avatar version of yourself is enters this Pixar park where you can run around. This is an imaginary playground that was developed with Pixar. They helped us define the concept and really bring this home. Asobo Studios really felt like a game that just had a flat menu would just not be very interesting. So having an opportunity where you can, as a child, move around this imaginary playground, and then it also helps set the settings for the game. As you move into each one of these individual worlds, like Up for instance, the music begins to change, the whole tone, the color palette changes, and all of a sudden you start feeling yourself in the world of Up. Clayton will go ahead and play the 3rd level?
I'm doing 3rd level.
Okay, the 3rd level is with the planes, right? Not Free the Birds. Not Free the Birds.
Oh, you're right. Thanks,
go back.
Jeff.
Sorry.
I've been playing this game a lot today.
All right, so there you go. So Clayton will go ahead and hop into the last level here of Up. Each one of the movies has its own little storyline. As you can see also from here, he can now play as Russell because he's unlocked everything else. So he can play as one of the Pixar heroes. So the game starts by having a little sort of what-if game that one of the kids on the playground begins to sort of weave a tale. And as he tells the story of what's going on in the game, you begin to sort of enter the child's imagination. And so the stories take place inside the imaginations of the kids. This gives us the flexibility to have worked with Pixar to create these original stories that are not just repeats of the movies, but are actually new and original stories that are inspired by the movies. The game's going to be available March 20th in North America, March 23rd, rest of the world. This is Kinect Rush, great experience, and it's sort of fun watching people drive on one leg, hop around. It's really cool. And then this is just Cars, lots of experiences, lots of things for other players as well.